Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so in today's video, I just kind of wanted to share with you guys my top 3 ways of getting some really cool wallpapers for my smartphones. So yeah, I have both my Google Pixel 6 that I'm currently using as my daily driver and the iPhone 11 Pro Max, which is my daily driver iOS device. And if you guys want to see, I do have Darth Revan wallpaper on my Pixel 6, and then I got this really cool beach shot. Um, evening shot at the beach with astrophotography. That's on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And, I like changing up my wallpapers, just, giving something new, something different, keeping it fresh. If you look at these things majority of the time of the day, so why not, put something there that, you're going to like and think is pretty cool. So I have my top 3 ways that I'm going to share with you guys real quick in this video. And if you guys have your own personal ways, and maybe it's not something that I mentioned, definitely share that in the comment section of the video because I would love to find other ways of getting some really cool wallpapers. And on top of that, smash the like button to help get this video around there and get some more exposure. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely do so. So I love talking about tech and I also like doing podcasts about it. So anyways, so let me go ahead and start a screen grab on my Pixel 6. It'd probably be easier to do it that way. And now I'll show you guys exactly what I use. But one of the first things I enjoy using is backdrops. Backdrops is really nice. It's got a lot of wallpapers already on there, brought in from the people at Backdrops. But there's various other ones that you can find on here. There's always something for everybody on this. Whether it's colors, whether it's animation like anime or drawings, paintings, some very minimal wallpapers. You can find it all here. So they have this explore tab, which literally you can explore, see what's around. They got a community tab where it's those who are have an account with backdrops. They can upload wallpapers that they like or they've created for other people to use, download, and such. And then you got collections, which is like different packs, and these packs are actually really cool. I love the Optic Odyssey pack. This just has like a ton of different, stuff that, I'm into that type of, like discovering another planet, astronauts, space, that type of thing, right? So you got like different wallpapers in this pack here. Really nice, really cool. Definitely something to check out if you haven't used backdrops yet. I definitely recommend it. Another one that I tend to use, this one's a little bit different, but it's Pinterest. I actually have a Pinterest account, and I like going through, here just to kind of find some really cool stuff I can use as wallpapers. Like, this ocean beach shot I think is pretty cool. But getting it for an iPhone through Pinterest, a lot easier. Just because a lot of the stuff that's on the screen will disappear when you actually just tap on the photo to view the entire photo. So it's a lot easier to get these wallpapers, or these photos as wallpapers on your iPhone. A little bit different and tricky for Android, and I'll show you guys why. If you tap on the photo to just completely have the photo, it shows you some, similar ones, but you got that bar that stays at the bottom. You got that search icon on the bottom right, and then you got the heart icon and the share icon on the top right corner. So what I would normally do is just screenshot this, set my borders, and then so I can get the full wallpaper effect, even though those, obstacles are in there. I just use Magic Eraser and erase them out of the wallpaper. So therefore, I have like a full wallpaper of what I want. So that's how I do it on Android. A little bit extra steps to do, but definitely well worth it to get some pretty cool wallpapers. I would say definitely. And you know, so my last option, and this app has been around for the longest time. It's been around before smartphones were, the everyday norms, and that is Zedge. Zedge has got some pretty cool wallpapers. As you guys can see, it kind of knows my likes. So it literally like, posts things that has to do with like Pokemon Go. Like this is a pretty cool wallpaper. And the cool thing about this is that, you can either, you can save it to your media folder so you have it later if you want to apply it. Well, this is pretty cool too. So I'm already finding wallpapers that I like. But yeah, You can save them, and they'll save onto your actual, your device storage, and you can do what you want with them later. You can even upload them, to like Google Drive to save them for the future. But a cool thing about Zedge that I like is that you have the make 3D parallax option, and it will turn this into a 3D parallax wallpaper. Of course, there's a little ad you have to watch, so you don't have to pay for every one you want to do. Just got to put up with an ad, and once that ad is done, the wallpaper will have some sort of effect that when you kind of like tilt your screen, it will kind of shift with it. So really, really cool, really awesome. But those are the three that I normally use to get some wallpapers for my devices. Pinterest, I like to use it also for wallpapers for my computer and for my Pixelbook Go and my Pixelbook. So yeah, anyways, that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed what I shared with you guys. Like I said, if you guys have any recommended places to get some really badass wallpapers, definitely drop them in the comment section. I would love to see where you guys are finding your cool wallpapers at. And again, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and smash the like button to help get this video out there. But until then, I will tell you guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.